Learn English with Sun English Center.
Hi kids, welcome to today's lesson. Do you know what we do every day from morning to evening? Today, we will learn words about daily activities. Let's get started.
Afternoon. 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 Evening. 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 Morning. 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 Noon. 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 Clean the floor. Clean the floor. Clean the floor. Help with the cooking. Help with the cooking. Help with the cooking. Wash the clothes. Wash the clothes. Wash the clothes. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Do the housework. Do the housework. Do the housework. Read book. Read book. Read book. Take a shower. Take a shower. Take a shower. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Have breakfast.
Great job, everyone! Now you know so many words about daily activities. Keep practicing and have fun. See you next time.